I just want to start the video by saying that I'm wearing a shirt. It's just hidden, so yeah. Hey guys, it's Angela and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a thrift haul plus tips video for you guys. I went thrifting today and I picked up some really bomb things. And I just want to do a little disclaimer for you guys out there. This is like, I go thrifting in days and in sections. So when I go, I don't go that often, but when I do like a pants day, then a shirt day, and then a jacket day. And yeah, today was my jacket day. So I'm gonna show you all the cute little jackets that I got, and then give you some really good tips for thrifting, because honestly I think I've mastered thrifting. Like if you ever need a thrifting buddy, hit me up, DM me, because I'm ready. I'm always ready to go. The first thing that I got, I'm wearing it right now. It's this blazer. It's kind of, I'm tall, like I'm like 5'9", I think, so my arms are long too. So like this doesn't really go to the end of my arms, but I kind of think it looked kind of chic like that because it doesn't really go to the end, so it kind of stops, and I think it looks cute like that. I mean, it's perfect for this spring phase that we're transitioning into, I think, because it's still kind of chilly, but it's also, I can't really wear a full-on winter jacket, so yeah. I feel like a businesswoman in this. The next kind of jacket blazer thing that I got is so freaking cute. When I saw this, I was like, I don't care how much it is, I cannot leave it. Like I won't leave it, because if I left it, I would have regretted it, because I know myself. There's always that one thing where I'm like, oh, I'll get a better deal, but it's like at thrift stores you may never see this item ever again, and it was a steal. So I got this, I don't know what to call it, but it's this jacket that's very, it looks much better on, but like it's so vintage, and I just love the buttons, and it has this wing, like I forgot what these are called, this cape. It's like a cape pretty much, so it has like this cape kind of effect to it, and it has buttons, and it looks so classy. Guys, I love clothes like this. Like literally this describes my style completely, because I just love really chic, like classy vintage-ish kind of clothes. It's mostly what I gravitate towards. Like when I see an item or if I see something, that's mostly what I want to get, if you can't tell by my lookbooks and whatever by now. But I really only have one lookbook, so you guys don't really know my style. I should probably do another one. Let me know if you want me to do another lookbook on this channel, because I can do that. I got this really it's, what kind of fabric is this? It's like polyester. It's very soft, if you can tell that it kind of like that soft texture, but I love the olive green tone. I love the dark kind of tone to it. So it's like a blazer. This I got from the men's section. I love getting all my blazers, or not my blazers, like I love getting all my flannels from the guys section, because they have the best ones, #1, and they have like the oversized kind, and I love that oversized baggy look, especially with the flannel. Like that's so cute to me. So I got this, and it is, yeah, it's really comfy. I love this. And then the last jacket that I picked up from this trip was this jean jacket. This is from the guy section as well, because I didn't want like a, I feel like at the girl section all their jackets ended really short, and I wanted like a long kind of very casual jean jacket, and this is that. It's like flannel-ish, and yeah, it's nice. It's kept me warm on many nights, guys. So this jacket is definitely one of my favorites, one of my favorite jean jackets that I have. Okay, so I know I didn't really get that many, I guess, jackets. If you guys go to the thrift store that I go to, they always make sure to literally make all the jackets and flannels and everything expensive. Like, some of the things in there are regular store price, but it's like, it will be so cute that you can't leave it, you know? But yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys some of my really top key thrifting tips that I have for you guys that have helped me on my thrifting journey. Okay, so my phone was charging, so hopefully it does not die, but I'm going to pull up my notes. And yeah, the very first tip that I have for you guys is to look for unique items. Try to, I guess, get out of your comfort zone and try not to look at things from your normal lens. Just like look for something that you wouldn't find anywhere else. That's what I like to do when I go thrifting. So I just try to look for items that was like, that I know that if I were to look for this, it would be super expensive in another store. So look for unique items and step outside of your comfort zone. And this kind of goes hand in hand with my second tip. Basically, don't buy, I don't know how to say this, like, because it's kind of based on your own perception, but don't buy basic like clothing for regular store price. So if you find like a basic shirt that you would find somewhere else, that you find like in a store for that price, just don't get it from there. But at the thrift store I go to at the Valley Village that I went to get these jackets, their prices are pretty high for a thrift store, so it happens. My third tip is go to thrift stores that are less busy so that you have more to pick from. Try to go to thrifts that are, I guess, not in the main central part of your city, not the one where everyone goes to. I don't even listen to my own advice, so if you don't do this, it's fine. I'm like one of those people where I'm like, if I'm meant to get it, it'll be there waiting for me. So yeah, I don't necessarily do that. But if you really like, sometimes I'll be, you know, sometimes when I go to different thrift stores, I see a lot more variety of items that I wouldn't see, and there's less competition, you know, because when people are going in those rows and you're going down the rows and aisles, like everyone's trying to get the item before you get to it. So there's some competition in the thrift stores. So try to go to thrift stores where it's less busy so that you have more to choose from. My fourth tip for you guys would be to go row by row. Don't skip rows. That's the worst and most biggest mistake you can do. I know sometimes you might not have time to go row by row. Like I said earlier, I go in days. I have a day for shirts, then I have a day for pants, and then I have a day for jackets and whatever else. Sometimes I mix it up if I have more time to go through all the rows. Take your time, go row by row. Don't skip any rows because that's when you miss the good stuff, and that's also a way to get tired easily. If you're skipping rows, you're gonna get tired and you're just gonna be like a lazy thrifter. You know, when you're like not truly looking, you're just kind of like skimming through. You don't want to be a lazy thrifter. My fifth tip is like the central rule of thrifting. I think some people don't understand this. Honestly, if you go thrifting with friends, you guys, like, everyone needs to understand that whoever finds it first gets it. Because I know sometimes I don't usually go thrifting with friends. I actually go with my sisters usually. So this is not really a problem with us because whoever finds it first, we understand that they get it, but it's not really an issue because we live in the same house and I can just borrow it from you whenever. So that's the kind of deals we usually make. I know that sometimes there's like only one cute shirt left and you're like, oh, I wish I got it, but that's thrift life. So forgot my number we're on. I think we're on the 6th. Yeah, I think we're on the 6th. My 6th tip for you guys would be to not try to worry about sizes too much. I know that at the thrift store I go to, the Valley Village I go to, they like section off the sizes. I never look at that. I don't look at the size section or whatever. I just look, and if it fits, if it fits, it fits. If it doesn't fit, then it doesn't. Because the clothes are mismatched. Like, you mix and match a lot of clothes. Try not to worry about the sizes too much because it might actually end up looking better on you. Black and white jacket that I showed you earlier, it was actually a large, and I was like, oh, I don't really wear large in jackets. I don't want it to look too big and broad on me, but it actually fit really beautifully. So don't worry too much about sizes because once you try it on, that's how you know. And yeah, so my last tip for you guys would be to, I guess, wash the clothes. Like when you get home, wash them because you don't know who was wearing what before you. So yeah, wash the clothes. Those are all the tips that I have for you guys for today. Obviously there are a lot more ways that you can go thrifting. There's not like a rule book. It's honestly just a shopping experience. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, if you guys do want a lookbook in the future, in the near future, then yeah, it's starting to get warmer, so I can do like cute little outside videos for you guys, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I appreciate all the wonderful kind comments you guys leave me to read. Yes, I read all the comments. Today's notification squad shout out goes to this person. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for being the first to click my video. If you want a chance to get a shout out next week, then hit the bell icon. The notification squad is lit. Like, why wouldn't you want to be a part of it? So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.